Hello, it's Jonathan here, DJ Puff the Third, making a tuna bog tonight. Tuna Bolognese, yes you heard it right, a tuna Bolognese. Okay, so here we are, we've got a load of rainbow different colour tomatoes. Tomato, potato, let's call the whole thing off. So we'll stuff these in, loads of tomatoes. You know what, sod it, I'm just going to put these beans in because they will only get wasted. So, top and tail them. Right, I've got to stir this flipping pasta again because I know what it's like. It's quite quick to cook this stuff. So if anything, I'm going to have to turn that off. And we've got Kniffy here. Kara's Kniffy from Undertale. Your determination. Stealing songs. No, child, don't go there. It's dangerous. So yes, I'm gonna have to. I don't normally put beans into my tuna bog, but oh well. And when I've done cutting these up, I'll probably have to take the I probably should have done the sauce first, but I can't be arsed, to be honest. Can't be arsed. Make the sauce first, but bollocks to it. But we've had these like French beans. When I grew them out the back, I had one meal out of them at Barbara's, and then this is a second lot. There's still a few on there, but I think I'm just going to leave them. Hopefully get some seed off of them. Check that pasta again, if I can find the fork. If you see a fork in the road, take it. Right. Down a bit more again. Jalapeno. I might do that at the end actually. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these beans up a little bit more again. So this is a tuna bog created by Schizio Rainbow, or Kim, the ex. Probably one of the lasting legacies from her that was of use to me. There's a few beans in that one as well. Like earlier in the season, I did actually have some baby carrots. I did do a video of them, but again, my mother threw them out, so I didn't get to have any of them. The potatoes that I got out of the recycle bin, and they're in the orange jumbo bag. I had them at Nash's Garden at Barbara's, and they're lovely. They're perfectly fine. So yeah, beans in a tuna bog, would you believe it? Smell fresh enough. Just 3 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not much of a cook, but and that'll go in there. Get these drugs out of the way. Beans, French beans. So we're going to put these in here as well. Right. Stir up this pasta again. I think that's ready now. So hopefully it won't go all goopy when it cools down. It probably will. I probably should have done the sauce first, to be honest, but oh well. I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to stir Stir this up now. To be fair, I'll probably need some more tomato sauce or something in there. If I get some tomato sauce, oh yeah, I need some parsley, don't I? Where's my tomato sauce? Alright, loads of cat food. There's my tomato sauce. Better check, as always. There you go. Tomato sauce. Excuse me. Heinz varieties. There's some tomato ketchup, some tomato sauce. And while I'm at it, I might put a bit more oil in there. And this is hemp oil again. Hemp oil. And I've also got some Linwood shelled hemp, but I'll probably put that in at the end when it's cooked. So stir it up again. And then tomatoes will lose their moisture, so it will start bubbling about, and I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'll cut up some of this jalapeno. Red jalapeno. That's that, and I'll cut them in half. I've absolutely no idea how hot they're going to be. I'll have to let you know later. Maybe I should knock some of the seeds out. Get some of the seeds out. Just got to make sure not to touch my face, I suppose. It's got rid of some of the seeds. But I've still got to do the bloody garlic. Right, so I've never put jalapenos in my tuna bog before. And now I've got to do the garlic. So what I'll probably do now, I'll turn the sauce on. Front, right, left, left, right, left, right. Yeah, front, left. There you go, front, left. It's now on. Okay. Spicy. Definitely spicy. Woo! Probably too much, to be honest. Garlic. Doing garlic next. Of course, I've got to probably end up stirring that. I don't want to have to add any extra water to it, to be honest. And I probably should get my new 4 eyes on. Right. Yes, I'm now officially old. I've got glasses. Only for reading glasses. I'm getting up close. Let's stir this up. And the pasta again. It's the garlic that takes the time. Pretty much came straight off. We've got a crusher. Hoping I don't run out of room on my phone because I've got so many videos on, but I've deleted a few. Yeah, that jalapeno's definitely got a little bit of kick to it. Not too bad. I'm gonna have to stir that up again. Tuna Bog, Tuna Bolognese. And the Italians deny any involvement in the Bolognese. Oh, no, it's a bit small. Lots and lots of garlic. Hoping I can get all this done in at least 2 or 3 videos, about 15 minutes long. Still not. There you go. I think we need 1 more of these. Is there a bigger one? That's alright. Tongue's definitely heated. What can I say? Yeah, that'll do. Right, now check the numbers. Don't want to lose it on the floor. 11 minutes. Right, garlic in the press. Garlic. Even now I'm still slightly wobbly, but I've not been quite as bad. Shake it off a bit. Sadly I am in a little bit of a rush because I've got to finish this around 15 or a little bit over 15. See, the tomatoes have lost their moisture now. I think I'll turn this down a bit, front left. Yeah, I'll turn that down slightly. Another one there. So that's at least 7 or 8. Cloves of garlic. And the last one. And we'll... Probably garlic makes your fingers very slippy, doesn't it? Right, that's that. And the rest, just tip it on. That kind of stuff. Right, stir that up. You're going to have to turn that down again. Right, and it might need a drop of water, just a tad. Right, check the numbers again. Meow! Pull it to the left. 1402. Right, okay. So we're pretty much there again. We'll stop it here and we'll go for clip number 3.